my signature entrance. Now let's get waffling in style. With this little beauty of a Belgian waffle maker, everyone can savor his or her own cafe-style, 1-inch thick, fluffy waffle. In under 10 minutes, no less. The rotating Belgian waffle maker's 1,000 watts of power make for faster heat-up time. And with a variable browning control, your waffles will come out just the way you like them. Speaking of just the way you like them, you can use any batter you want. From a classic recipe to a gluten-free recipe, the results will be exquisite. Feeling crafty and creative? You can even use the waffle maker to cook an omelet. Delicious, and it'll look just like a waffle. So how does it work? It's super easy. Preheat the waffle maker by plugging it in. A ready indicator light will let you know when it's go time. Pour in the batter and close the waffle maker, and simply rotate it as it cooks. The easy flip handle and variable browning control will crisp and fluff those waffles up to perfection. A removable tray is there to help you have a drip-free countertop. Super clean. Sweet, thanks. Now it's your turn to enjoy one. Treat yourself or a friend to Bella's non-stick rotating waffle maker and wow your taste buds with authentic Belgian taste. Bon appétit!